I have a very interesting meeting here. I'm in a Homewood Hotel Suites, Canada. Today I'm meeting here Tim McCarroll, mortgage broker, and we're going to talk about mortgages and interest rate and all the banks ins and outs. So let's go and talk to him. So Tim, I have a little bit unorthodox question.
Okay.
And what's happening is this was how it is in my thoughts. I was talking to my son and I'm saying, like, why wouldn't people just pay the interest for the mortgage? Do not pay the actual mortgage off, because it is inflation. The price of the house, the price of the condo, gonna go up anyway. Why would you pay the mortgage and right now not to have enough money for some recreational activities, instead just ride the hard times with interest only? And then in 2-3 years when the interest is going to go down, you just can already start paying the prime side of the mortgage too. So like, what would be your view on that?
Makes sense. Fantastic question. Obviously, I can see where you're coming from because of the fact that your house is going up in value, but again, you're just waiting and obviously just paying off the interest and just doing that as a minimum payment. So on average, again, you'll have to make sure you verify this with the person you're speaking to. Obviously with me, I'll give you this information, but on average for $100,000 of debt that you currently owe, it's gonna be roughly around $575 to $625 per month. So we'll stick with 600, that's what's a good idea. $600 a month of just payments. So again, that's for every $100,000 you owe, okay? So based upon that information, is it a good idea just to pay interest only? It really depends. If by any chance that you're using this line of credit or this loan for an investment property, well, yes, 100%. Obviously your accountant's gonna agree with me 100% on writing off that interest, and you'll have to talk to your accountant about that. If this is your property yourself, again, it really depends on what your long-term goal is. If you're looking for something that is the fact that, hey, I'm just gonna be doing this temporarily, inflation right now is kicking my butt, and I have to, liquefy as much as possible with all my assets across the board and make my payments as little as possible, I get that. One big thing a lot of people are coming to me and asking that kind of goes in parcel with what you're talking about is, do I get a mortgage or do I get a line of credit that's secure to my house? With the interest only payments that you're talking about, it really tends to go to the line of credit. If you're paying interest only right now on your mortgage, I am sorry to hear that. It's because obviously your payments have gone up, most likely you're on variable, obviously your payments have gone up so much and you're just paying obviously the interest. It's not always a good thing because you're not paying any amortization. Side note, when a lot of people come to me saying, oh, I want to switch from my variable rate to my fixed rate that I can offer, even though the fixed rate is lower than what they are currently in as a variable rate, their payments actually increase. The reason being is because currently right now, they're not paying any type of principal, they're just paying the interest. So going back to the other idea, if you're just looking to pay interest, that's going to be a line of credit. And that is something you can do and actually have options of paying just the interest. I'm doing it right now on one of my mortgages. I've actually split my mortgage up into 2 mortgage segments, and one of them is a variable, and that's obviously what I'm just doing. I'm just paying my interest.
We had an amazing meeting with Tim. We found out a lot of different nice, good, interesting information about interest rate and all the mortgage in and outs. And you know what? I hope that you found today and heard everything you needed to hear. If not, you can call me and I'm going to let you speak with Tim. I'm going to put you in contact with him. If you want to sell or buy the house, you know where to find me. I'll be in Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.